Hey everyone, welcome to another Revival Daily. This one's going to be a little bit different than the usual ones. We're just going to go around and kind of just tell you about what everybody's doing. It's not going to be any real one-on-one contact of that kind. So anyways, let's go see what everybody's doing. Oh, I mean, we could talk about what I'm doing if you want to do that. I'm working on this Motor Marini. I was saying earlier that we were doing a live video earlier, but I was saying earlier that this was one of our very first builds here at Revival. It's pretty old, and we haven't really seen it since, but apparently someone stole this bike from the client, crashed it, and basically it's when they crashed it, carburetors flew off, all that good stuff, and it basically sat on its side for like a month, and moisture got in the engine, the valve seized, all that good stuff. So I took top end off, new valve guides, lapped piston rings, all that good stuff, and it runs well again. But now I'm just going to tune it. Got some paint work back for it, and yeah, it's right there. Check it out. And now it's going to go back together, and I'm going to ride the crap out of it, and then supposedly it leaves tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be all good. Well, let's go see what people are doing on this nice humid day in Austin, Texas. That's Jeff Berry. Let's see, is there anyone in here? There should be. This is the new fab room. We've moved it, so it's a lot bigger. So basically this is where Andy and Ty spend most of their time. All the rest of us come and go. We come in and out of here to view some of the equipment or talk to Andy and Ty, but this is where they live. New fab room, cool. It feels really good in here. It's hot where I work. Let's go out this door. Follow me. So I'm assuming that Ty and Andy are in here getting it. Hi, Ty. This thing closes pretty quickly.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just walking around,
Cool.
making sure everybody's cool.
Yep.
Ty is working on our new secret custom. He's building the exhaust for it right now. I'm not even gonna get into it.
Exhaust is done.
Oh, the exhaust is done. There we go. Cool. We're gonna ride this bike later. Andy's in there sanding. That's gross. You don't want to see that. It's disgusting. As if Andy weren't gross enough.
Thanks for stopping by, Alec.
Hey man, thank you. You're doing all right. I don't care what anyone says about you. I like you, Ty. What else? You know what? One thing that Michael Millette really hates is when people bother him. So let's go see what he's doing. Man, this place is filthy. Hey, I know how you like it when people come fuck with you while you're working, so I just wanted to come and say you're doing a great job.
Thanks, pal.
Yeah, man. All right. I think y'all have seen this before, but this is our, if you ever order anything from the website or anything like that, it comes out of this room, and this guy right here touches it with his hands and his feet. Yeah. So, you know, if you have any questions or things are going weird and you're sending emails and you don't hear back from him within seconds, just know because he's the only one and he's very busy and he's a sweetheart, sweetheart, sweetheart. Michael's a sweetheart, and he rides his bicycle to work every day, every morning, and, you know, good for him. Yeah, I mean, granted, it's only like a block away, but still. Ooh, look, new M-Unit Blues. Check this out. Oh yeah, somebody's calling him right now. You want me to answer it?
You want to do this online?
Anyways, M-Unit Blues, bars, everything. This is all the stuff that's going out. You can see it's very well organized as best we can. Yeah, new room. Who dis? Let's go bother somebody else. This is fun. Like I don't actually have to work. This is cool. There's Andy's bike that blew up. His Triumph that he rode the piss out of until it decided to stop working. Yep, now it's paperweight. Cool. Let's go bother Doc. Doc loves people, in case you guys didn't know. He's a people person. Hi, Chris. Chris loves people too. Look at all these bikes. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
So, look at this thing. Did you already finish?
Yeah.
This thing needed a new stator. Doc put it on. This is
End of story.
end of story. Cool. Done. This belongs to a client of ours, obviously, and I don't know if we've showed it before, but he's also got a 1969 R69S, which is an awesome bike. We restored it a few years ago. This one was given to him by his uncle. His uncle is, fun fact, his uncle is Roger Clemens, the Rocket, the professional, one of the biggest baseball players of all time. Yeah, so anyways, this is another bike of his, and we built a custom bezel for it for the gauge and all that good stuff. And then we were wrapping it up, and Doc went to ride it yesterday, and it stopped charging. So we fixed that today, so it's gonna go home soon. It's pretty crazy. There'll be pictures of this thing on our website, but these, this actually glows. It's pretty nuts. There you go, Harleys. They do whatever you want them to do. Let's go see what Stefan's doing. Oh, can't wait to talk to Josh Gage about washing the van. All right, well, Stefan's not in here, so. Oh, no, I was just look at this. We got Arbach and Stefan. Man, the two engineers, right?
Yeah.
These guys, these are the smartest guys here, and they're outside fucking off.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Getting some vitamin D. Yeah.
Oh, is that what you call it? What are you doing? Oh, you guys are working on the, oh, here we go. This is exciting. Look at this. Stefan is fixing our CNC machine.
Yeah, we get to do this every now and then.
Yeah, what are you doing right now?
So this VFD does not have the correct components for the braking resistor, so our spindle wind down times were way too long. It also didn't have all of the communication interlocks to give all the error signals and that kind of stuff.
Gotcha.
So I've got a new one that actually has all of its components.
Ooh.
And it also has a little bit different parameters, so it can actually torque vector the spindle motor, and that'll give us more torque when we're cutting. So
awesome.
all improvements so that we can run more lights out and actually do some production. This has worked okay for prototype.
Yeah,
we have
for
to
what we've been
watch-
doing, yeah.
we have to watch the machine all the time, because if this stops, it doesn't send an error signal to the controller, so the machine keeps going with a spindle stop, it'll break tools and wreck parts.
Gotcha. Yeah, now that we're going into production stuff,
Yeah, it has to be
time
more
to-
correct.
time to beef up the game. Awesome. Well, there you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
So
Assembly required.
this is how we all got into the motorcycle game to begin with. We like things, and we don't have money to pay for these things, so we do it ourselves. You get it? Motorcycles, cars, machinery, carpentry, whatever needs to happen, we usually just do it ourselves because, I don't know, it's easier that way. And more frustrating, and you know, all that good stuff. Look at this clean Sprinter van. Hey, Josh.
Hi.
You guys know Josh, master of all.
Hi. Done.
You're looking good, man. You're all sweaty.
Sweaty and strong. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm just walking around. It's nice outside. It's only 100 degrees, so just showing everybody around. We're doing a Revival Daily. You ever heard of those?
Yeah, I've seen a couple.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
Josh is one of the reasons why all of our vehicles are so shiny and clean. Yeah, and also speaking of Josh Gage, this is his V-Strom. Yeah, let's talk about everybody's bikes who works here. This is Josh Gage's V-Strom. This thing is made to go everywhere all at once. This is one of Alan's bikes, the Dakar. Jeff Barry's been using it lately because Jeff Barry's got an old Volkswagen van that basically he can sleep in, and it's always on the fritz. So there's that. This is Doc's, well, Doc and his girlfriend Mallory. This is their tracker that they're building. He's been riding it lately just to do a lot of shakedown stuff on it, but once he gets it all done, he's gonna blow it all apart and paint and all that stuff. So it's looking pretty cool. I love that style bike, which is why I have this old. This is mine. This is my old '66 Sportster. Leaks a lot of oil. It's loud. It's got a magneto. It's pretty much all there is to it. This is Stefan's. This is the 990 that Stefan has. This thing is awesome. This thing can go over mountains and down in valleys. This is Ted's bike. Ted is getting this thing all ready to go from here to the Grand Canyon. He leaves next week, and it's gonna be pretty exciting. Is that thing getting weird again? Okay, anyways, Ted's bike. He has done a lot of stuff to this. He's leaving next week to ride to the Grand Canyon and back, so we're pretty excited. Be on the lookout for that, because I'm sure there will be video and all kinds of content on his little trip. And yeah, that's Huge's airhead over there. Yeah, everybody's been riding their bikes to work lately because it's getting pretty nice. Typically we just do it anyways. Yeah, that's what's going on today. I don't know what else to say. It's nice outside. We're about to eat lunch. We usually eat lunch right here. Bunch of Indian styles going on. Yeah, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have any questions or you have any suggestions, please let us know. Sorry this one was a little weird. It's not so much of an interview process as just as me walking around pointing things out. Fun stuff. Who's that? We're closed. All right. Y'all have a good day. Bye.